Hi, Gary, Golden Castle Caravans. Today I'm going to show you around this 2019 Swift Fairway Platinum Edition 580. It's a special edition based on the Swift Challenger, and as such it does come with some extras over and above the Challenger model. Just to let you know, it comes with the trailer control system. You've got the nice things like your barbecue point and power, access to the space under the front seats. It's even got what they call an entertainment hatch, so that you can watch TV out on the awning if you wish to. Swing arm, power and aerial point. Heavy duty corner steadies front and rear. It's going to sit on a nice strong platform when you're on site. Access to the space under the fixed bed, and that's useful if you wish to access table and chairs, for example, from the outside. And the Swift has got provision for optional bike rack, and as you can see, it's also got the really smart LED light clusters. Just to point out, it does come with a Power Touch Evolution manual engaged motor mover, so you're not going to have any issues with moving this particular van around. Weight wise, just to let you know, the gross weight of this particular model is 1,550 kilos. As a special edition, it does come with some niceties. As I said earlier, it's got factory fitted alarm system, unique upholstery colourways with the fabric wall pads, and you've also got double width closing curtains, so in the winter they do overlap for extra level of comfort and warmth. Lounge area, plenty of seating for 4 of you. As you can see, you've got the nice blind system, so you've got the integrated fly and night screens, LED lights throughout. You've got the control panel incorporating DAB radio. Kitchen area benefits from the kitchen extension, easy to use fridge freezer, and the cooker benefits the electric hot plate, useful if you to run out of gas. And on that note, just to mention, it is absolutely immaculate. It also comes with factory fitted solar panel, which is great if you're off grid. Omni vent over the kitchen. You've got the Alde heating system. Bedroom area then has got the 2 wardrobe areas, lots of storage under 2, somewhere to put your drinks, and it's the Duvet memory foam mattress, so it's a high quality mattress. I'll just show you space underneath, so it lifts up nice and high to reveal all that storage. You can access it from outside, and you've also got a spare wheel and tyre. At the foot of the bed, you've got the vanity mirror, and you've also got somewhere to pop your TV. Space saving sliding door then to the washroom across the rear. You've got the loo, push button flush, opaque window, good locker storage as you can see, and then we've got contemporary wash basin, shower with bifold easy access door. Just to point out, this is a 1 owner model from new, and you may or may not know, but I'm quite familiar with the Fairway special editions. Anyway, that's a side note. I'm Gary at Golden Castle Caravans, so the vans all come prepared, valeted, serviced, and you do get a full working show around on your day of collection. This is a fantastic example. If you're looking for a transverse island bed, nice specification, this could be your new van. Right, look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much indeed.